What's up everyone, and welcome back to another fun week of All Around Beauty 411. And in today's video we have...
Hi.
This is my niece, and we're going to be trying out some Korean beauty products which has our skin glowing. So we're going to show you and give you guys our thoughts and opinions on them based on how we feel. She's new, so she doesn't really know how it goes down.
What's that supposed to mean?
But we're definitely going to give you our opinions and everything that goes on with Korean beauty products. So I'm definitely excited. We're not doing...
Why did you do that pun? Why? We don't have no eggs.
I know, we don't have any eggs. I did it because it was just Easter. She didn't think I was ready.
That was like 3 days ago.
Anywho, we're going to definitely be trying out some masks, some toners, and even a lip scrub. So, if you want to know how to get your skin nice and dewy and plump like this, please keep on watching. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends and give this video a nice big thumbs up. Also, if you aren't following me on Instagram, please do that because I'll be posting some funny stuff. Okay.
Follow me too.
That's what's up. No, I'm just kidding. Also, be sure to follow her on Instagram. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, guys. So, the first thing that we're going to be doing with this Korean beauty products is we're going to be going in with this sheet mask right here. And it is by Master Lab. And it is an intensive skin soothing mask. And it has all the power effects right here on the side. And it's really cool. I'm definitely excited to use this. She brought me like a crap ton of these. So I'm down to use them. And I'm really excited. Also, the directions are in Korean. Which is cool. But at the bottom, it does have the directions in English. So it says tear open and apply to face. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes and then remove. And it also has pictures on here, which I feel like, oh, you guys can't see them. It has pictures on here, which I feel like is very helpful. So I'm assuming once we take it off, the leftover serum from the mask, you just massage it into your skin until your skin sucks it all up. Call it a day. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now that we have now that we have the mask on, I do have a timer set for 15 minutes. So yeah, we're just gonna be chilling. I feel ridiculous. Alright, guys.
I feel like turkey.
Stop. Alright,
No,
we'll see you in 15 minutes.
I feel like Leatherface.
We'll see you guys in 15 minutes. So guys, we have like about 8 minutes left, I believe. And so I'm going to take this Truffle Revital Softener Lotion. I've never had truffle lotion, so I don't know. I gotta look it up.
Truffle is expensive.
Like me. Oh! Anyway, this was made in Korea. Yet again, the instructions are in Korean. So I just want to put a little bit on my hands, just to like...
Oh, I want to say something so bad.
Okay, so you're just gonna massage it into the skin now.
Smells good.
It's nice and like moisturizing. Like my hands are really nice and moisturized. So that's definitely a good thing. Like, cause sometimes, you know, when it gets cold outside, your hands get to like cracking and stuff. Like, that's what's been happening lately. And like, I'm from California, so you know, you never know what kind of weather you're gonna wake up to. Sometimes it might be like burning hot. Sometimes it might be super cold. So you never know. I definitely like it. It has a nice smell to it. It smells like a perfume kind of almost. It doesn't leave your skin like sticky. Like, you know, some lotions leave your skin really sticky.
Like cocoa butter.
This is not the case. Like, it just leaves your hand like, it feels like my skin is like dewy.
What do you mean? How does dew feel?
It feels dewy. Okay,
How does
thank
dew
you very
feel?
much. It's really cool. So,
Bruh.
I think it would be good for you guys to try it. The company's name is Lauper. It says Laboratories of Nature.
This ish keep coming up.
So that's cool. And that's it up close. Alright guys, well, we will see you when it comes time to peel the mask off. I feel like my lip
Mask off.
looks weird. Okay. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so it is definitely time to peel off the mask. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that. Now that you see the leftover serum is still on our face, so we're going to go ahead and massage that into the skin until it sucks it all up like a nice sponge. So we're going to go ahead and get started for you guys. It's burning. Alright guys, so our skin is definitely looking A1, okay? I definitely like how it feels. It feels like jelly and it has like a nice bounce. Like, it looks really good. It didn't like tighten the skin, it didn't do any of that, but it looks really good. I have to give it a thumbs up for Korean sheet mask. They are out here doing it. So now we're going to go ahead and go in with the Milk and Honey, and this is a lip scrub. I feel like sitting so far back from the camera, but that's easy. And it is a lip scrub, and so typically with a lip scrub, what you have to do is just you put it on your lips and you scrub it with your fingers really, really, really good. Okay, you scrub it in for probably about like a minute or two, and either you can rinse your lips or you can wipe them off with like a nice cotton swab or a towel. It doesn't really matter. That's typically what you do. So we're gonna go ahead and try that right now. So after using the lip scrub, my lips definitely feel a lot smoother. Just they feel a tad bit dry. So I definitely say if you're going to go ahead and purchase this lip scrub, to go ahead and put a chapstick on afterwards, just so that way, you know, you're not feeling like dry, and then when you go outside your lips start to crack depending on how the weather is, because that's definitely the worst thing that can happen, especially when you don't have chapstick in your car either. I've experienced that numerous of times, like way too many times. How does it make your lips feel?
Kissable.
I'm just kidding.
And smooth.
Yeah, no, I definitely feel smooth and kissable. So that's definitely a plus for the Milk and Honey. Also, I would say watch out for the little like scrubby bits, because like they go everywhere. Like I kind of had some like on the side of my face, but that is beside the point. So now we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Miracle Food 10 Solution Toner, and we're just going to apply that all over the face. Toner, you could typically apply it with a little cotton pad, or you can apply it with your hands, but we're going to be applying it with a cotton pad. And toner, you don't really need a lot. You just kind of need a dime size amount, maybe a nickel. About a nickel dime size amount. Okay, which that is typically fine for the average face. If you feel like you need more, then definitely apply one coat, wait a little bit, and then put the next coat of toner on, which that is completely fine. So let's go ahead and get started. So the toner definitely was a-okay. Only thing is just it leaves your skin just a tad bit sticky. It does give you that nice glow and shine. So that's definitely something that I'm just like, okay, do work. Ew. But out of all the things that we tried today, my favorite was the lip scrub, just because I don't know what it is, but I love lip scrubs. Like Lush has a really good lip scrub. I believe Beauty Bakery, they have a lip scrub as well. And I love them.
Because you have full lips, you need your lips moisturized the whole time.
That's true. The bigger the lips, the more moisturizer you're gonna need. So what was your favorite?
The mask.
That's cool. I feel that. I definitely am not a fan of sheet mask. Like, they're okay, but I like to, like, scrub my face, if that makes sense. I don't know. I feel like I feel like a sheet mask doesn't, like, do anything. So, you guys know me. That's all that I have for you guys this week. And I post videos every Friday. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends and give this video a nice big thumbs up. Alright, guys. And I'm out.
Bye, Felicia.
Okay.